Material management is all about speed and accuracy, especially in just-in-sequence manufacturing. But signal flag replenishing solutions are not. They're slow and error-prone, with material handlers constantly sharking for parts. Imagine how fast your material would flow if handlers instantly and directly received calls and instructions when parts were required. Introducing the Panasonic Logiscend Replenishment Application, a wireless, paperless IoT system that is fast and easy to install, use, and manage. Our wireless Panasonic view tags install in minutes with no wiring and configure just as fast with no IT involvement. This simple GUI means minimal startup training. When operators simply press a button to call for parts or a sensor automatically triggers the call, a call sent message displays on the view tag. Handlers automatically receive the order via a tablet, fulfill the request at the warehouse, and the line side or supermarket smart tag instructs the operator that the order is on the way. Parts are replenished and the tag is reset. View tags in the warehouse to instruct and signal handlers what to pick can make the replenishment process even faster. Intelligent Manager dashboards reveal needed action in real time, such as outstanding parts to be delivered and delivery times over threshold. And you can say goodbye to needing material handlers searching for what needs to be replenished. The Panasonic Logiscend Replenishment Application. It's the smartest way to build a fast, smooth, and highly accurate parts replenishment process. And it's just one module of the Panasonic Logiscend family of applications that help you manage your entire material flow.